Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flower ring. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. So let's get started and just make it with me. For this tutorial here I am using two color of yarn and here I am using ballet double knit yarn. A ring base, you see clearly how look it is. 4mm of crochet hook, a scissors and also a gun glue. So let's get started and make it. First I am using blue color of yarn for making the flower pattern. So just hold yarn like in fingers. Next we're gonna make slip knot. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your fingers. Hold it with your thumb. Now yarn over and pull it. Here you see we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Repeat the same pattern, make chains. Just yarn over, pull it through the loop, 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 yarn over, pull it through the loop. You see clearly how long it is. Repeat the same pattern and make total of 30 chains on top. And just repeat the same pattern, yarn over and pull it until you complete the total of 30 chains. Here I just complete total of 30 chain. You see clearly. Now skip first two chain 1 and 2. Insert your hook into the third chain, yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain, pull the yarn, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern into the same chain below, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loop, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain below, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. This is the double crochet stitch pattern. Now in third chain we will gonna make total of 3 double crochet. Now in next chain insert your hook and pull the yarn twice, make slip stitch. Just insert your hook into the next chain, insert your hook and pull yarn twice. This is the first flower petal. Now for the next petal, chain 1 on top, again repeat same pattern, 3 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 2 more double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 1 more into the same chain below. For making leaf pattern, just repeat the same pattern of 3 double crochet in 1 chain. Now insert your hook into the next chain and pull yarn twice. This is the slip stitch. You see clearly the 2 petals of flower. For the next, again chain 1 on top, insert your hook into the next chain, make 3 pair of double crochet, like 3 double crochet, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. So don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Here my 3 double crochet again complete, you see clearly. Now insert your hook into the next chain and make again slip stitch. Just repeat the same pattern of making flower petals. You see clearly how long it is. Make 1 flower petal in 2 chain below. Now for the next petal, again chain 1 and just repeat the same pattern until you reach into the end. Here my flower petals complete and I complete total of 15 flower petal in 2 pair of chains. Like I have total of 30 chain. Now insert your hook into the last chain and pull yarn twice. This is my last slip stitch. Chain 1, after that pull the yarn over it and just cut it with your scissors. Just cut it. After cutting the yarn, pull the left of yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. You see clearly. Now I will show you how to create the flower shape. Just rotate the flower petals with each other. You see clearly how I make this. You see clearly. This is the complete pattern of flower. Next I will show you how to crochet this leaf pattern. You see clearly I already make the green one. Next I will show you the clear stitches with already blue color of yarn. So let's get started and make the leaf. Here I am using again blue color of yarn for showing you stitches clearly. So hold yarn like in fingers. Next we're gonna make slip knot again. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb, yarn over and pull it like this. Next we will make total of 8 chain on top. Yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Just yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Just yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, and yarn over, pull it. I complete the total of 8 chain. Now insert your hook into the first chain, insert your hook, pull the yarn, 2 loops on hook, just yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. This is the single crochet stitch. In next chain we will make half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. In next 3 chain we will make double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loops. In next chain again we will make double crochet, yarn over, insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. In next chain one more double crochet like this. Now in next 2 chain we will repeat first half double crochet, insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loops, and in the last we will make single crochet. Insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. This is the first side of leaf pattern. Now just turn it, round it. Now insert a hook into the first chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops, yarn over, insert a hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loops. Next we will repeat the same pattern of 3 double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert a hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make one more double crochet into the last, and after 3 double crochet make one half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. In the last single crochet insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. You see clearly this is the complete pattern of leaf. Now in the last we will make one more single crochet stitch for just complete the pattern. Insert your hook and pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. After making single crochet we will chain 1, pull the yarn over and cut it with your scissors. This yarn is for making stitches, so just pull it tightly and secure your work in the last. You see clearly this is the complete pattern of leaf. So let's get started and join them together. Here I am taking the green leaf for the base, so let's get started and join them together. Here I am using a crochet needle, so just insert your leftover yarn inside the needle. I will show you clearly how to insert it. You see clearly how long it is. Next we will attach it on the bottom of the flower like here, and insert your needle into the bottom side. Just insert your needle and pull the needle into the petals of flower. Again insert your hook into the back side and just pull it tightly. Make the perfect stitches and secure your flower and also leaf with it. I will show you clearly how to stitch both with each other. Just make sure you will hide the green yarn in blue color. I will show you clearly how to stitch it together. Make sure you will secure the back side of the flower. Now in the last we will make a knot. Insert your needle into the stitch, yarn over the needle and pull the yarn into the needle like this. Here is my knot and secure your work in that. Next I will show you how to hide the leftover yarn. Insert your needle into the stitches and just pull the needle outside. Here we have some yarn into the stitches and leftover yarn, cut it in the end. Just cut it. You see clearly this is the complete and the final look of flower and leaf pattern. So let's get started and join it on the top. First add some glue on top and attach it on the back side of the flower. Just attach it tightly. Press it some time for drying glue stick. You see clearly how look it is. This is the complete and the final look. Now in the last we will attach a bead on the top of the flower. So let's get started and attach a bead on top. Here I am using half cut bead. I already attached some glue on the top of bead. So attach it on the top of flower. You see clearly. This is the complete and the final look. So tell me in the comment how look it is. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.